Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox HP 15 DW3004ne laptop, which best for office users and long-lasting battery life seekers. It's having display 15.6 inches, 512GB SSD and 8GB DDR4 RAM, Intel Core i5 11th generation processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX 352GB graphic with Windows 10 OS, can be upgraded for Windows 11, and long-lasting battery life up to 6.3 hours, and also 1.75 kg weight. And there are so many ports available, around one SuperSpeed USB Type 5 Gbps signaling rates, 2 ports SuperSpeed USB Type-A 5 Gbps signaling rates, 1 HDMI port, 1 RJ45 port, AC smart pin, headphone microphone combo port available. This laptop gives you handy look due to his slim body and light design. With long-lasting battery life, HP fast charging technology will keep you to be connected long time with this laptop. It's boot up in second with 512GB PCIe SSD storage, can be get high graphic performance for smooth gaming and accelerated editing with NVIDIA GeForce MX 352GB graphic card, and 1920 by 1080 resolution gives all your digital performance. I would like to recommend this laptop anyone who looking for a affordable price, good spec laptop for their day-to-day work. Hope this video will give you brief idea about this laptop. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.